Captain Shoes back at Dairy Queen. Why don't you come try out this caramel drumstick blizzard? Peanuts and chocolate and gooey stuff. Let's dig into this. I'm really liking it. I'm getting all the flavors in every scoop. I may have to make a return trip to get another one of these before it goes out. As we get closer to the bottom, there's still a copious amount of stuff in every scoop. I would definitely have this again. I'm gonna throw this one up as a quadruple main man, 4 stars. Key to a good blizzard is making sure there's plenty of stuff in every scoop, and that's what they've given me here. Until next time, friends.